Testing, test. Testing. Comment naman kayo kung may ano. May naririnig ba kayo audio? Hindi ko nababasa yung ano, ng comments. Share. Welcome stars. Huh? Okay. Oh, yun. Nice. Thanks, Justin. So, sorry, nag-iba lang tayo na setup. Ano to stars na to? Paano alisin to? Disable. Okay. Ito natin yung iba. Tayo mic. Sayang hindi gumana yung setup natin. Meron pa akong pa-mic. Yeah. Testing. Sayang hindi gumana yung setup natin. Meron pa akong pa-mic. Okay. I think we are ready. Okay na ba? Let's just wait for the others. Cleaning ko dito. Move natin. Yan. So, shoutout daw muna yung mga online. Justin Alvarado, Bianca Elaine, yan. Tinanong nila si Harman Ritz, Aaron Ken, Humbert Bondat, Armando Wrights. Wrights ba? Forward natin yung link yun. Share lang natin. Share natin sa Duaman page. Duaman Rice beef. Share the groups. Okay. So wait lang natin sila to start na tayo. If you have questions about the race tomorrow, feel free to type it in the comments. I'll try to read it as we go along. So again, apologies if we are late by 10 minutes. Actually late na, mag-6 na pala. Sorry about that. We were supposed to start at 5:30 but due to technical difficulties, may tinry kaming software. Dapat naka-live tayo via streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, but hindi namin napagana. So, start tayo by the basics ulit. Back to the basics. Yeah. So, ilan na tayo? Pwede siguro? What time po cut off ng bike check-in? 5:30 in the morning. So that's why you need to be, that's why it's really important na nakuha niya ng kits nyo today. Para tomorrow, relax na kayo. We don't even know if it will rain, but mukha naman we will have good weather tomorrow. And we're hoping na matuloy yung streak because since 2013, we've been lucky na hindi tayo inuulan. And kung nagtataka kayo, ba't ako nagsha-shades? Kasi parang ano yan, if you've joined previous SBR races, parang ano siya eh. Na-try ko na, tuwing nag-race briefing ako every morning, may shades ako nun before. So, baka ito'y swerte. That's 2013, ilan na, 2026 na lang ako. So, tinuloy na namin and for some reason, maski malas lang, kunwari yung Triman Triathlon, and sa Cycles and Brew yun, gabi na yung race briefing na, madilim na. Actually, wala lang makita, hirap na ako kasi nga naka-shades. Pero, pag naka-shades ako for race briefing, for some reason, on race day morning, we have good weather. So, tuloy na natin, sayang naman. Okay. Okay. So, live din pa sa YouTube. That was the idea, Ivan, but nagka-technical difficulties tayo. So, Facebook na lang ulit. But we will upload this video on YouTube and all our social media platforms. So, don't worry about that. After this, kukunin namin yung recording, then we will upload the video. Okay. So, okay, start na tayo. Pwede po ba sa likod ilagay ang race bib? No. On the run, you need to put it in front. So, I'll discuss it later as we go. 56 na tayo. Okay, pwede siguro to. So, if you have any questions, or if naputol yung audio, we are using a different setup today. Ayan. So, if you want to browse along, we uploaded the athlete's guide on the website. So, swimbikeRun.ph/duoman2026. And yun lang, we will just go through it with you guys. And may update tayo on the bike course and then sa wave start times, which we will also post separately after this video on all our platforms. Okay. So, the one will get affected lang naman is the light distance because mag-iiba lang yung U-turn nyo. Mas earlier dun sa rotonda if you follow the video. So, antayin natin 56 pa lang. Antayin ba natin mag 100? So, by the way, we have 900 participants tomorrow. So, yun. If you can, please share this video para mapanood nila. But either way, kung hindi naman nila mapanood, we will upload it. So, kung maputol man yung audio, please leave a comment para malaman namin agad na wala pala kaming mic. Kailangan po ba, sabi ni Vincent, kailangan po ba nakasuot yung race bib sa bike or pwede sa run lang? Actually, since suot mo na siya sa run number 1, huwag mo na alisin for the bike. If you have the race belt, ginagawa dyan for the bike, minumove lang to your back. And then, on run number 2, move mo in front. Sana po manalo ako sa raffle. Yes. From Carol Ann Techler. I hope I said your name right. But good luck. The raffle is we're gonna be giving away shoes from Saucony. Yeah. And then of course the trifecta raffle. Don't forget about that. We're gonna give away a brand new gravel bike. Diba? Ayan. Okay, so pwede tayo mag-start. 64. Ayusin natin yung cap. If you wanna buy the limited edition cap, the 2011 yan, yung founding year ng SBR. So, it was founded last 2011. So, ilan taon na? 12, 13, 14. Tagal na rin. But our first event was in, ano lang, tumatawag? Iyan. Flat. So, tuloy lang. Okay. So, start na tayo. We are at 64 viewers. I think this is enough na. So, welcome everybody to the live race briefing of Duaman Duathlon 2026 happening tomorrow here at Clark Freeport Zone. And thank you very much to all the participants, to all our sponsors, to our title sponsor Go for Gold, and our presenting sponsor Vitargo. Thank you. And of course, thank you to Clark Development Corporation and CDC for being our official home since 2013. So 2013, just a brief history, Triman Triathlon, dito na namin ginagawa. But since nag-iba na yung mga venues, Duaman naman, nilipat naman namin dito. So, ayan. Ba't nagsasagot to? Ayan. Anyway, silent natin. So, sorry if you are calling me. I don't mean to not answer, but okay. Leave a message na lang. Naku, naputol wrist tag. Pakita mo na lang bro or kabit mo na lang. Matibay naman yan kasi nagagamit namin yan for the swim sa aquathlon and triathlon. So, if you have tape, tape mo na lang. Kasi there are other verification naman your bike, your bib number, your helmet sticker, it has to match. Okay. So, let's go. Start na tayo. So, welcome everybody. I'll just go through the athlete guide of Duaman Duathlon 2026. Puro ako ng konti dito para ang bida is yung race briefing. So, yung mga nagtatanong regarding the race course, just hold on, just listen and I will discuss everything that's included on the... May tanong kasi si Chris Felix, babalik na rin ba uli sa Centennial Road? So, everything about the race course, the run course, bike course, run number 2, I will discuss it. Okay? So, let's start. So, we're just going to go through the athlete guide. So, welcome everybody. We are now at the second leg of the SBR Tri-Series. Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2026. Presented by Vitargo. And we are now here sa Duaman Duathlon happening tomorrow here at Clark Freeport Zone. So, start niya will be at Clark Parade Grounds. Iba siya from last year. That's why sinabi namin brand new course tayo. But, better yung run route this year, in my opinion. So, it will be up to you to experience it tomorrow. So, ayan. From the founder, I will not go through this na because yun lang naman yun. That's my welcome message to everyone and my thank you to all of you, to all 900 of you for joining the race. So, ayan. So, here are our sponsors. Welcome, everybody. So, title sponsor natin is Go for Gold, presented by Vitargo. And our official home is Clark Freeport Zone. Ayan. And the rest of the sponsors, maraming salamat. Let's go na. Ayan. So we are now here at the beautiful Glory Hotel where you claim your race kit. Kung nakita niyo yung Glory, meron silang pool. Ganda. Sa taas. So I don't know how many check-in but so far mukhang marami naman daw. So kung dito kayo nag-check-in, I'll see you tomorrow later for dinner. Kain tayo sa baba. Diba? So yung mga special rates, this is not applicable na. But if you want to extend, I think baka applicable pa to. So here are the finisher shirts. If you finish the race tomorrow, you will get this yellow shirt and then this beautiful medal. So a bit of a trivia, why yellow? Nagkataon din na yung Duaman happens every Tour de France. And if you know Tour de France, the yellow jersey, that's yellow. So, on branding siya, on point yung branding. But, the real reason is, if you notice, Aquaman Aquathlon is blue, then Duaman Duathlon is yellow, and then Triman Triathlon is red. Those are the colors of the Philippine flag. So, if you combine it, those are the actual colors. So, ito naman yung sun, yung yellow. Okay? So, next. Trifecta medals. So here are the 3 medals if you will finish all 3 races. Ayan siya. Here's the next one, Triman Triathlon. And then, here's the Duoman Duathlon, Duoman Duathlon Aquaman, and then Triman. So you see the colors, diba ang ganda. Some people collect it, and some naman since 2013, boy pa yung shirt nila. So, actually, ang dami ng reason to use a different supplier for the shirt. Make it thinner, yung mga net. Pero maganda kasi, for us, in our opinion, parang okay siya pang workout, especially yung mga girls. Ang dami na feedback sa mga girls kasi yung mga light daw, yung mga butas-butas. Although it's airy, para sa mga sports, yung mga ano nila, bra nakikita or something. So they prefer training with the SBR shirt. So trifecta medal, if you finish all three, you get this one, which I'm wearing right now. So this is the trifecta shirt. Yeah. So this trifecta shirt is not available for sale. You will not get it unless you sign up and finish all three races of the series. So this is the black trifecta shirt. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. So future trifecta, your journey begins here. Your journey to multisport. So yeah, highlight lang natin yung trifecta shirt. It's black and marami na nagpo-post actually kasi parang makikita mga pagka pinost niya, di ba? Parang if you know, you know. If you know, YK. So, if you know, you know. Nasuot niya yung black shirt. And kung alam mo yun, oh, she finished all three races of the Tri-Series. So, para naging bragging rights na din siya. My finisher's trophy. Wala po tayong trophy, but we do have trophies for the winners. May comment. Si J. Mendoza. May tayong trophy for the winners. Each finisher will get a shirt, medal, meal from our Lapids, and then the rest of our sponsors from our goodies from the sponsors. Yeah. So if you haven't seen it yet, we have clubs. We established clubs. This is something new that we just launched for this year. So yung swim club that's launched already. We have actual members na. So we have two venues for that. We have one in Quezon City in Damar Village Swimming Pool. We have 15 regular swimmers na doon or more na yata. And then we just launched this year yung SBR Swim Club naman sa Vermosa. So if you want to sign up, just visit swimbikeRun.ph/swim club. And then we also have the Run Club. And then the upcoming SBR Tri Club. Syempre, ano yung kulang dyan, Cycling Club. It will happen, but for this year, dito muna kami magpo-focus. If you want to join any of the clubs, just visit the URL. We post it din naman. Run clubs namin, we will be having runs in UP, MOA, and then Ayala Car Free Sunday. And then, we just parang finished our talks with, saan yun sa may Pasig? Hindi ko maalala na, but sa Stork Bicycles Care of Jeremy Go, dun yung magiging natin, Greenfield. Yun, sa Greenfield. So, we will have regular runs there. SBR Run Club is powered by Trimac and Soconi. Yeah, Soconi sponsored din natin for this race. SBR Swim Club naman is powered by Bert Lozada and Power Swim. Tri Club, we still have to launch it, but yung concept ng club is parang yung mga, alam mo yung, you're a beginner, wala ka pang team, but you want to be part of the community. Kasi, yung iba naman, di ba, parang ayaw pa nila mag-team, gusto nila mag-race lang, and this is where the clubs come in. So, if you want to be part of that, just visit any of the links. Yung Run Club, and then may mga Viber group na rin yan. Yung Run Club, we will be opening the sign-up sheets, tapos log in na lang kayo, then we will add you in the Viber groups. Run Club is free. So, all the runs will be coached by Coach Jomac Macalental of Trimac, and then free lang siya, free for everybody. So ito na, trifecta raffle. To those interested, to those who will do all three races, or those who signed up for all three, you're eligible to win this 2026 Cannondale Topstone 1 Obsidian gravel bike. Hanep, di ba? So thank you to our friends from RD Cycles, and they're gonna sponsor this one. They've been our sponsor since 2019 yata. Okay. And then also, for Duaman Duatlo naman, we also have a raffle. So, this will be after the race. We'll be raffling off one pair for the men's and then one pair for the women's. It's a Saucony Hurricane for the men's and a Saucony Triumph for the women's. So, just a brief note, the colorway will be dependent on the size since kukunin nyo siya, i-claim nyo yung shoes sa Saucony headquarters if you win. So, good luck to everybody. Ayan. So, ito yung race schedule natin. We are now here on Saturday. Race kit claiming is from 10 to 6. It's 6:07 now. And then, didiscuss ko lang. We are now here sa race briefing. Medyo na-late tayo na start. So, sorry about that. So, wag nyo napansinin tong schedule tomorrow. Dua Kids will start still at 6 but mag-wave start tayo. And then, the light distance, adjust lang natin in a bit, which I'll discuss after this. So, bike checkout tomorrow will be at 10 a.m. Okay? We will start the awarding at 9. It will be a rolling start awarding. So, ibig sabihin, pag ready na yung mga top 3 ng kids, we will award it na. Pag ready na yung top 3 ng light, we will award it na. And then for the full distance. We will not wait for everyone to finish and then sabay-sabay. It is gonna be a rolling awarding. Para rin maka-focus na sa iba yung mga kids natin. And then what's important is the bike checkout will be at 10 a.m. We will be strictly implementing this. We've been getting kasi sometimes yung iba may mga sinasabi pa. But I will not go into details na basta 10 a.m. we will open the transition. That's the time only when you can get your bikes. Okay, so plan ahead. We posted this din naman. But, if all participants na are on the run route, ibig sabihin, all participants from full distance, light distance, nasa run number 2 na, we will open the transition, even if it's not yet 10 a.m. Okay? Why do we do that? Because you will impede the experience of nasa mga slower participants, mga slower athletes. And we don't want to do that. At the end of the day, we are a beginner-friendly race. Okay. So if you missed the cutoff, if you missed the cutoff today, you may claim it by until 3:30 to 4:30 a.m. tomorrow. If you missed the cutoff ng race kit claiming, but you have to bring the waiver, print it na, and then ayun, we will post all the announcements na lang. So, that's it. Kasi ma-hassle kayo dyan. We have 900 participants tomorrow. While we appreciate it, but yung dami kasi coming from running, and sa run, sisipot ka lang, yung suot mo for the run, yun na yung suot mo, di ba? You show up at the starting line, yun na. Pero in multisport kasi, that's why we need to train you guys din. In multisport, you will get shocked. Once you get there, ang dami mo palang gagawin. After you sign up, ipe-prepare mo pa yung bike mo, put on the stickers, put on the timing chip, mag-register ka pa, you have to rack your bikes, and get out of transition. That's 40 minutes. Diba? Instead of just claiming it today, going tomorrow, rack your bike, and then head. You can do your proper warm-ups, 5 minutes tops. Okay, so once again, if you missed kit claiming, you may do so until 4:30 tomorrow. So this is not applicable na. So what's in my race kit? Yeah. So that's the common question. So most likely you have received this one. Although hindi yan yung itsura niyan because this is the Duaman Sprint which happened last year yata. So this is the race bib, this is the race number which you will put in front of your body. Yeah, if you don't have the race belt, there are pins available. You have to pin it here. Okay. So since pag pinin mo na yan sa run number 1, suot-suot mo na siya sa bike. Do not remove it because you will lose a lot of time. Plus, ikakabit mo na naman sa run number 2. Just leave it there. Yun lang. That's why it's really important na meron kayong wristband. And then the wristband, you put it on either on your left or right arm. That's our identifier that you are part of the race. That will allow our marshals to let you in the transition area. Okay, so that has to be worn at all times. tomorrow. And then, helmet sticker. Sorry, tumuturo ako, may TV pala. Helmet sticker. You put that in front of your helmet, not on the side. You put that in front. And then, for safety pins, the safety pins are for the race bib. So there's 4 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pin it there. Okay. And then the bike sticker, where do you put that? You put that on the seat post. So, kung ito yung seat post, igaganan mo siya. So, ito yung bike sticker. Pro tip, yung dulo ng bike sticker, huwag nyo i-peel all the way. I-peel nyo lang siya halfway. Leave the tips exposed lang. Huwag nyo na i-peel yung isang buo. So, magtira kayo dito, i-peel nyo lang to. I-peel nyo lang to. And then, so, may dikit pa dito, di ba? Fold what you peeled off earlier. Fold it. And then, dikit nyo lang ganun. So, dapat madulas yan. And then, ma-wiggle around mo para hindi kumapit yung sticker sa seat post. Okay? Are we allowed to bring action cam? Actually, nasa athlete guide siya. That's a question from Pamela Lalo. Shout out. Shout out also to Stephanie Ordeliza, one of our supporters. Siyempre, member din ng SBR Swim Club Vermosa yan. Yeah. So, yeah. Are we allowed to bring action cam? You're allowed to bring, actually we allow it sa run course as long as huwag kayo mag-impede ng other participants because may kanya-kanya naman silang race. Not all are vloggers and not all, some wants to finish the race and wants to focus on them. So if you want to cover your race, we allow it. Actually, yung iba nga, may 360 cam pa. But on the bike, it has to be mounted. Okay? Kasi sobrang delikado hawak kayo doon. Hindi na naman the training ride. This is an actual race. So, ayun. So, of course, please tag us also kung i-upload nyo yan. And tag us yung micro.ph. Duwaman Duwatlon, feel free to tag and collaborate with us para ma-share din namin. So, I hope that answers your question. Didiscuss ko pa yun regarding the headphone also. Yeah. Timing chip to be worn on the left ankle. Okay, left. Yung timing chip na nakuha nyo. By the way, there are those who missed. There are those na nag-claim ng race kit but di nila nakuha yung timing chip na nasa left side ng table. If you missed it, just get your chip anytime tomorrow. Okay, so on return chips will be charged 3.5. So mahal, diba? That's the actual race na. So please make sure after the race you surrender it. May magtatanggal naman yan for you guys. Okay. So we have 80. Oh, dami natin laki. Okay, so may question ulit si Seth. Sige, just keep posting your questions. Yun lang, tatagal na tayo. But okay lang yan, mag-usap-usap na tayo. I love talking to you guys and syempre super grateful kami na you joined us. So my question is Seth, will there be a spot for family and friends? If so, where banda and parking spots? Parking spots, you may park anywhere at the Clark Parade grounds. Ang dami dyan around the place. There will be also, you may also ask the guards tomorrow. So if you want, if there's you have family and friends, they can wait for you. Ang maganda dito, magkadikit lang yung setup. So wag mo na sila paantayin sa bike. So paantayin mo na sila where you started. Okay? So dun sa transition lang din naman is on the other end. So they ikot-ikot na lang sila doon. Okay. Si Francis sabi niya, di po namin nasimulan. Pwede ba mapanood i-start na tong video? Yes, we will upload this video on all our platforms after the live. Okay. Next. So, same time sa transition. Ito yung race belt. Sorry, ubos na. Naubos. And for Tryman, papagawa pa kami. But nagulat din kami na ubos yung race belt. So, gamitin nyo na lang yung pins kung wala na kayo. Okay, ito yung maganda. Live tracking is active. Okay, so if you have a loved one, supporter, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, hubby, wife, na manonood tomorrow, they may track you on our live tracker. So just scan this QR code or visit this link to view your results. Especially kung feeling mo nag-podium ka. But just a note, hindi to final, okay? what is shown in the app or the live tracker is not in any way final because that will have to be verified pa. Okay, more or less mga 80% accurate na siya, but we will have to verify it pa, yung mga nagkulang na loop, yung mga sumobra, and then may mga contest pa. So that's just a guide and hindi siya final in any way until we announce na final na siya. Okay, so if you want to follow your athlete, so just tell them to scan this QR code. It will bring you to a website where you can track your athlete. Okay, galing, di ba? So that's yung mga innovations natin. Okay. Ito na. So run course, if you visited the run course already, dun siya sa may other side ng Clark Parade Grounds where we usually do from the other end of where we usually hold the Duaman Duathlon for the past 2 years. So, the run course is clockwise. Clockwise meaning kung paano yung ikot ng relo. Diba? So, it's from left to right. Okay, so you will start here. There's a big holding area here. So, dun yung mga habang hindi pa nag-i-start, dito kayo. So, start dito, and then pabalik to transition. Okay? So, clockwise tayo, one way lang. And then for the bike, it's the normal route na, nasa right side na tayo. It's just for the run, it's gonna be a clockwise run. Okay. So, Dua Kids, ito na yung announcement natin. We will post this also on our social media pages. 6 a.m. At 6 a.m., the Dua Kids 11 to 14 will start first. So, and then 10 minutes after, wave 2. This is the Dua Kids 7 to 10 years old. Okay? So, hindi siya mass start because we wanted to separate the 7 to 14 years old. We made the mistake of making it a mass start last 2023 and ang daming nag-feedback sa amin which we appreciate because it allowed us to get better. So, very thankful for that. And then, so, this is also the return pala of the Dua Kids. Duaman Duathlon Dua Kids. We first did it in 2023 and then di na namin ginawa for 2024, 2025. But ang dami sobrang may gusto and yung ibang kids kasi gusto rin nila mag-trifecta. So now we're bringing it back. Yan. So 7 a.m. wave 3 will be the light distance and then 7:10 a.m. will be the full and relay. Okay? May question si Sebastian Aldeguer. Is there a map or route for the run and bike? Yep, it's uploaded on our website, social media pages. We also did a run through of it, a video of the entire run course. So if you want to watch it, just visit our YouTube channel. Andun yung buong video. So we made it as easy as possible para to everyone to have a really good experience tomorrow. Plus, ito pa, may race briefing pa tayo. Yan. Plus, we have the athlete guide pa pala. Alright, so yun yung mga wave starts. We will post this also para clear sa lahat. Ayan. So, full distance, eto na. So, full distance, you will be doing a 6-kilometer run, 20-kilometer bike, and then a 3-kilometer run. So, everyone will do one loop lang all the rest. Except for the full distance, you will do 2 loops on the first run. Okay? Because one loop, yung full distance ito is 1.5 kilometers, so you will do 2 loops. But everyone else, we made it as easy as possible because yun nga, as much as possible, we want to avoid multiple loops. And kaya naman dito yan sa Clark. That's one of the beauties of doing a race here in Clark. We have the roads to do it. So, run number 1, we'll just go through it before we go through the map. Run number 1, you will do 2 loops. And run number 2 for the full distance, you will do 1 loop. Light distance, it's a 3-kilometer run, 15K bike, 3-kilometer run. So it's run 1, 1 loop, run 2, 1 loop. Dua Kids, 11 to 14, 1 loop lang yung run. Everything else is run 1 loop, including the 7 to 10 years old. Okay, so discuss ko na yung map. So, andito tayo ngayon. Yan, yung start, diba? Ito yung start. andito yan. Andito yan, start. Ito yung transition area. Okay? So, tingnan ko lang ang frame. So, mag-i-start kayo dito ng run. Dito. Ikot. And then, ito sa full muna para clear. Sa full distance muna. So, start here. Sorry. Para maganda, let's do it in order na lang ng wave start. So, at 6 a.m., wave 1 muna, it's gonna be the Dua Kids 11 to 14. Yan. So 11 to 14, you will be doing a 2 kilometer run, 10K bike, and 1K run. So start here, diretso. Saan mag-U-turn? C, Dua Kids 11 to 14, you will U-turn here, balik, and then off to the bike. Okay. So next, at 6:10, you will see Dua Kids 7 to 10 years old. You will U-turn here. Nakamark naman yan. Yung U-turn sign dyan, may nakalagay kung sino yung mag-U-turn doon. So, U-turn here, run, U-turn. Ganun lang siya. Tapos next, at 7, that's the light distance. U-turn kayo, isang buo. You will do the entire race course. U-turn, U-turn. Straight, left turn, U-turn, right, right again, and then off to the bike. We will have plenty of aid stations on the run course, so please take advantage of that because binayaran nyo na yan and hindi na namin iuwi yan. So as much as possible, niload din namin yan. Hopefully, makatulong yan yung run course. Vitargo will also be there on the run course with you guys. So, full distance, you will go at 7:10 a.m. So that's the only difference. Full distance will be, you will be doing 2 loops, okay? So pag start nyo dito, ikot. Pagbalik nyo dito, ikot ulit. And then doon pala kayo pupunta ng transition, okay? So just a quick reminder, full distance, your first run is 6 kilometers. So you will do 2 loops sa run number 1, okay? Light distance, you will do 1 loop of the entire run course. Next, 11 to 14, you will do 1 loop and U-turn here. And then next, Dua Kids 7 to 10, you will do also 1 loop and then U-turn here. Okay? You will U-turn at the 500 meter mark. So that will complete the 1K requirement. So next, ito na. As always, ito nga pala, we keep on posting this. Please note that while the course will be marked, it's the athlete's responsibility to know the race course. So meron na tayong race course preview, meron na tayong race briefing, meron na tayong maps na nilagay. So we made it as easy as possible for all the participants. Hopefully, wala nang mangyayari na may maligaw na naman. Do not ask the marshals kung dito na ba U-turn nyo because we briefed them not to say anything because it's not their job to know kung saan yung U-turn mo because hindi naman nila alam kung anong age group ka and then anong distance mo and then how many you've done already. Plus, it's 1 loop lang for everything except for the full distance. Okay. So, next. We're now here on the bike. So, ito yung tricky. May mga binago pala tayo dito. Light distance, you have to be aware na iba na yung U-turn nyo. But it's better. Trust us. So, light distance, we'll go here lang. It's the same loop for everyone. Mag-iiba lang yung U-turn spots nyo because mas maikli. Okay? So, full distance first. Dito tayo galing sa transition area. Okay, so dito tayo galing sa transition area. What you will do, immediately after rocking your bike, discuss natin yung transition flow after. Uunahin na natin siya. Ayan. Sorry, dapat ito yung una. So, let's just go through it again. So, yung run, di ba? Nandito na kayo. Run. Go out. Head to transition area. Paano ngayon yung transition? So, ganito yung transition. There will be an entrance here. going to transition. So this is the run route. You turn left. Make sure do not turn left kung saan yung finish line, okay? You turn left kung saan papunta yung transition. So you turn left and turn right, enter the transition area, and then you will find your spot here on the bike racks. Yan. So magba-bike rack kayo tomorrow here. Okay? So one loop lang yan, one way lang pala. One way lang yung transition area para it's easy for everybody. This is the only entrance. This is the only exit. There's no other way. You cannot enter here. You cannot exit here. Okay? So, clear ba? So, the flow is turn left, turn right, enter, get your bike, turn right, and then bike mount. Dito yung bike mount area natin. Bike mount means doon kayo sasakay ng bike nyo. You cannot ride your bike inside the transition. Okay? So, is that clear? So, anyway, we have questions. Just type it in the comments. We'll try to go with it. So depending on all the distances are here. Full light, dual kids 11 to 14. Dual kids 7 to 10. So, ito lang yung transition area nyo. It will be numbered from the bike rack and then up to the basket. So, dun yung malalaman ko sa spot nyo. Okay? There's only one entrance exit to the transition area. Make sure to follow the flow and remember your spot. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung iba ginagawa nila, nag-iiwan sila ng balloon para mas makita nila because it's gonna be a sea of bikes. Nakakalito rin talaga yan. So, remember, i-visualize nyo na kung saan kayo nag-rack para on race day, since pagod kayo sa run number 1, alam nyo na kung saan siya isasabit ulit. Okay? So, relay 10 will be positioned at the exit. Andito yung relay 10. So, dito kayo magpapalit ng timing chip from run number 1 to bike, to the cyclist, to the biker, and then to run number 2. Okay, sa exit yan. Again, please note that while the course will be marked, it's the athlete's responsibility to know the race course. Ulitin lang natin yun. This is the Vitargo transition zone pala. So, ito siya, again, coming from the run, turn left, pasok ng transition, turn right, enter here, and then you will see all your bikes racked here. So get your bike, exit, bike mount is where you start riding your bike. Okay? So babalikan natin to after ng cycling natin. So, how to do a transition area. So, visualizing nyo na yan kung paano nyo ba gusto mag-start ng bike. So, imagine nyo, naka-swimming attire, naka-running attire kayo, di ba? So, you're wearing your rubber shoes, probably your shades, your visor. So, pagdating nyo sa bike, i-set up nyo na yung helmet nyo sa bike na nakataas, top facing forward, bottom facing up, nakaganyan. Yun ang ginagawa namin. So, i-visualize nyo na paano nyo gusto kunin yun para to save time din. So, di ba, nilalagay na yan sa handlebars, pinapatong na, andito na shades, nakaganyan. Okay? Tapos, para pagkadating nyo from the run, kita na kayo sa bike. Ayan, nakaganyan. Suot nyo muna to, tapos, wear the helmet, i-tie nyo na yan ganyan. Tapos, sit down, wear your cycling shoes. If baguhan kayo, we highly suggest you just sit down on the carpet and then doon na kayo mag-cycling shoes. And then get up, get your bike, and then move out na to the bike mount. Okay, wag na iba kasi yung mga faster ones, how they will do it, naka-clip na yung cycling shoes nila sa bike pa lang. So from transition area, from the run, transition sila, gagawin lang nila, suot nila yung helmet nila, suot yung shades, tatakbo na yan. Pagkahubad nila ng sapatos nila, tatakbo na yan, yung cycling shoes nila, nakakabit na doon sa bike. And then they'll do a flying mount. But since majority natin is beginner, please don't do that. Because baka sumemplang lang kayo and it will cost you time. And pagka napasama pa, it will cost you your race. Okay. So ito na. Ito na, sorry. So after ng bike, naka-bike mount na kayo, di ba? You're on your way to the bike now. So ito na yung bike course. Ito na yung interesting part ng Duaman 2026 race bike course. Medyo bago siya. So ito siya. This is where you started. This is the transition area. You will turn right immediately to the main highway. Just a reminder that the bike course is not a closed course. There will be cars. It is gonna be an open street. Sharing tayo din with the other cars since yun naman ang ini-encourage talaga ng Clark. So kanan ka dito. At this point, merong slight uphill. If we videoed it and if you oculared it, medyo slight uphill yan, di ba? Yung merong parang uphill part dito. Kids will U-turn on the first one. Dua kids 7 to 10, hindi na kayo aabot doon sa the wall. You will U-turn here at this section right here. It will be marked naman. Tapos balik na kayo. The rest, go straight. Turn right here. Ito na yung papuntang Fontana before if you did Triman. Turn left and then down you go to the wall. So the wall is very famous here in Clark because okay siya na uphill section. Okay siya na pang training. So why is it the wall? Because there's literally a wall here. So once you get to this part, enjoy na lang kayo. Downhill yan. It will be a long downhill course. So recover na kayo dyan. Yung pababain nyo na yung heart rate nyo. Fix your shades. Hydrate if you want. By the way, there will be no hydrations on the bike course because mas delikado kung maglalagay kami dyan. Plus, the bike course is super short. So, unless the bike course is 40K, there's no need for hydration in the bike. So, dito yan, downhill yan. Kids will U-turn here at the flat part. Kids 11 to 14, Dua kids 11 to 14. You will U-turn here and go back for run number 2. The rest, for light and full distance, ito yung difference. Please take note. So, after going downhill, you will turn right here. You do not go straight. Okay? You must turn right all the way to the end. U-turn. This is for the full and light distance. Okay? U-turn and then turn right again. There's a change on the U-turn of the light area. You will U-turn instead here at the rotonda. And not here, as previously stated. We changed the map. We will upload the new one also after this. Plus, we will re-upload this also, this video. So, for the light distance, after making a U-turn here, turn right. You will U-turn here at the rotonda, and then head back up to the wall, and then to the transition for run number 2. For the full distance, you will turn right. Hit the rotonda here, turn right again here at the Creekside Road until you see your U-turn area. It's the Villages ba yun? There's a intersection, there's a small cut there on the island. That's where you do the U-turn and then head back down and then balik na. Okay? So clear yan ha. The bike course is just one loop for everything. Nag-iiba lang yung U-turn nyo kasi mas maaga kayo. So I repeat, transition area, turn right sa main road. This is an uphill section. Kids 7 to 10, you will U-turn here first. Turn right here. This is the wall. So downhill na yan. Magpa-flat dito sa area na to. Next U-turn will be for the Dua kids 11 to 14. Balik na. Light and full distance, you will go straight. Turn right. U-turn. Turn right here again. At this rotonda right here, that's the U-turn for the light distance. U-turn na yung light, balik. For the full distance, do not U-turn here. You will go right, and then U-turn here at Creekside Road. And then go back there. Okay? So, if you go here, pagkabalik nyo na dito, do not turn left here. Go straight na yan. Dire-diretso na. Okay? So, medyo straightforward lang naman yan, di ba? Can we just use our running shoes for the bike course? Pro tip, actually sinabi sa amin to ng mga ibang duathletes, yung mga elite. Yung iba sa kanila, hindi na nagsa-cycling shoes because sayang yung oras. So since maikli lang yung race, it's probably faster if you do the bike on your rubber shoes. But it all depends on you. Depende sa skills mo, Depende sa training mo, if yung na-train mo yan, and it's all up to you. So, question yan ni Scotty Keith Abes. Okay. Georgina, will there be marshals along the turn points? Yep, there will be marshals, there will be directional signs. Yung directional signs, yung U-turn spots, may nakalagay din doon kung sino yung mag-U-turn doon. Okay, so, yeah. Next. So, ito na. So, nakabalik na tayo, di ba? From the bike course, nakabalik na lahat. Okay? So, balik tayo sa transition. Andito naman yung bike dismount. Bike dismount means that's where you will unclip if you're doing if you have cleats. That's where you will dismount your bike. We highly suggest kung first time mo to just slow down, brake, get off your bike, get down properly. Okay, wag na kayo yung mga flying dismount because ang dami sumisemplang dyan because we don't know the conditions. Baka madulas tomorrow, if umulan. Hopefully, hindi naman. So, dito yung bike dismount. So, anong gagawin nyo pagka dismount nyo after ng bike? Dismount, turn right, bike in, turn left, pasok ng transition, rock your bike, change it to your running gear, so hubarin nyo na helmet nyo, change your cycling shoes, and then mag-running shoes na kayo, hubarin nyo yung helmet, and then exit here, tapos, to run number 2. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pagka-rock nyo, ito yun, bike dismount, di ba? Kanan, enter the transition area, rock your bike, change it to your running attire, head out, turn right again. On to run number 2. Ayan, dito naman. Okay, tapos balik na naman ang transition. For run number 2, pag tapos na kayo sa run number 2, ito na, di ba? Run number 2, the transition, how will you finish? You will turn left here to finish. Turn right, andito yung finish line. Okay? So, that's it. It's very simple. It's a very straightforward course. To those who haven't watched it yet, you may watch the full race course preview, although may mga na-update na kaming sections, on our YouTube channel. Yeah, so we did a full race course preview, yung buong course din-drive namin. And yun, makikita nyo na yung gradient, yung elevations and everything. So also don't forget to like and subscribe. We are now at 20K subscribers on our YouTube channel, so thank you for that. Next, quick reminders. The race is draft legal, meaning you can follow a cyclist, but please be careful. If you're not used to it, just let them go. Don't draft na. And then no helmet, no race. If you don't have a helmet, you will not be allowed to race. No exceptions. We will stop you on the bike course. Avoid littering. If you have gels with you, keep it na lang. Yung iba ginagawa namin, tinatago namin sa ilalim ng cycling shorts, or you have pockets naman if you're using a cycling kit. May pockets naman yan, but please do not throw it in anywhere in the race course. Always stay on the right when not overtaking. So, parang normal road lang yan, overtake on the left sa bike. And then cheer for other participants because we have 900 participants, but almost 80+%, or I bet 90% are first timers. So please, let's make it fun for them. And who knows, pagka nag-cheer ka, medyo napagod ka na, ikaw na may cheer nila, diba? So this is a very inclusive event. And then, just be happy, just have a safe race and fun race tomorrow. Hopefully, makapag 100% finishing rate tayo. Okay? Count your own laps. We can't count now how many times we mentioned this, but it's your responsibility as a racer to count your own laps and where you should U-turn. Okay, do not ask the marshals because they do not know who you are. Do not let a marshal decide your race for you. Sayang naman, di ba? Finisher shirt, medal, freebies after the race near the SBR booth. Ibig sabihin yan, your finisher shirt, medal, and meal, and other previous sponsors will be given after you cross the finish line. Okay, hindi namin sinasabit yung medal dito, di ba nagka-issue sa running na hindi daw sinabit yung medal. But sa multisport, we hang the medals after at the booth na, kasi para to avoid congestions on the finish line. Okay? Stay for the awards because after the race, after the awarding, we will award a winner of the running shoe and the rest of the prizes from our sponsors. If you're not there, natawag ka namin, sorry, hindi ka na eligible. There will be plenty of parking available around Clark Parade Ground, so arrive early. So along the route, there's going to be parking slots and also around the transition area near the start. So just find your spot there. There's plenty of spots available here, so hindi kayo magkukulang dyan. So please arrive early so you can get the best one. Okay, know the race course. Each category has its own U-turn point on the run course. But remember, again, it's your responsibility to know your U-turn. Do not rely on marshals to track your laps or guide you. Do not say, dito na ba ako? Because hindi naman nila alam yan. Diba? Hindi naman nila alam kung full ka or light ka. So, marshals are there for safety and course control, not lap counting. Marshals are briefed not to answer you if you ask them how many laps you've done or if that is your correct U-turn area. So, hindi ka nila sasagutin. So, don't be angry at them kung hindi ka nila sinasagot. Huy, Marshall, dito ba? Hindi ka nila sinasagot. They've been briefed to do that. Study your categories course map before race day. Don't let confusion cost you your finish. Yeah. So, as much as possible, know the race course. Sa amin din naman, when we do Ironmans, and then 70.3s, it's our duty rin to know the race course. Train hard, race smart, and know your course. Next. Rules and regulations, I will not go through this now, but our race do have rules and regulations. So if you want to know about it, just visit our website at swimbikeground.ph/event rules and regulations. Nandun din yung link sa event page sa website. So, ito yan, may mga rules tayo. And if you don't follow some of these, you might get a DQ. Ayan. So, I'm just a quick one regarding this one. Competition rules and violations. So, kunwari, may feeling kayo, oy, ako yung first. Nauna ako sa kanya. May procedure tayo on how to do it. There's a protest form that you have to fill up. And then how it works, you have to submit a bond, that's cash. And then if it's proven na tama ka, your cash will be refunded back to you. And if it's proven na mali yung hunch mo, the cash will be given to the organizers. Okay? So that is to avoid yung mga magko-contest lang na, hindi, nauna ako sa kanya eh. Tapos pagka the timing team will go through all the trouble of verifying, no sir, nagkulang ka ng lap, kaya ganun. Sabi mo, ay okay, sorry. But then, you impeded the race na of all the other 900 participants. Okay, so once again, there's a procedure for that. View nyo na lang yan. It's also under rules and regulations on swimbikeground.ph website. Next. Duoman coach tips from Coach DG. Ayan. So, basahin nyo na lang, but I'll go through it. Pace conservatively. Your first run should be enjoyable and let you speak in short sentences. So, ibig sabihin yan, nakakapag-usap ka pa, hindi ka na yung tuliro ka na sa run number 1 pa lang. Remember, don't go all out because there's still the bike and then run number 2. Okay? So, please pace it perfectly and conservatively kasi mahaba pa yung day, mahaba pa yung race. Douse your head liberally. It's effing hot. We do not know the weather, but from the looks of it, mukhang maaraw naman. So, buhos nyo, gamitin nyo yung mga aid stations. Buhos nyo sa ulo nyo, palamig kayo. And then, practice your transition. Do your head to toe. Head, shoulder, knees, and toe. So, ngayon pa lang, after nag-ano kayo, paano ba ako mag-change from run to bike? So, naka-running attire ako. Pagkapasok ko ng transition, kailangan ko mag-bike. So, ano kailangan ko suotin? Kailangan ko na suotin yung helmet ko. Yung shades, suot ko na naman. So, iwan ko na yan. And then, head to toe, di ba? o papalitan ko na yung running shoes ko, iantay ko na, papalit na ako cycling shoes if you're wearing it. Tapos, yun na, kunin nyo na yung bike. Tapos, imagine nyo, babalik na ako, naka-cycling shoes ako. Kailangan ko tumakbo. So, susuotin ko ulit yung sapatos ko. Alisin ko yung helmet ko. Suot ko na running visor if you have. And then, off you go. So, ano yun na yan. Knowing is half the battle. Memorize your spot in transition area. Don't be that guy wandering all over the place for his bike. There's a 900 bikes tomorrow. So parang that's easily pag naligaw ka dyan, 5 minutes na yan. Diba? Kasi sabi ko, saan yung bike ko? Andito yung bike ko, andito yung bike ko. Pero nakita mo, nandun lang pala sa kabilang lane. So, be aware of where you racked your bike. So, kami ginagawa namin, kinakount namin yung openings. So, 1, 2, 3, there. You turn left there, so you remember that. Pay attention on the bike. Stay right except to pass. So, depende naman kasi yan. There are those who join, that's for the win. There are those who join for the fun of it. And there's those who join just simply to experience what an SBR race is all about. So, at the end of the day, the race is a community race. So, as much as possible, let's just have fun tomorrow. Zip up your suit if there are cameras around. Siyempre, yan ang pinaka-importante. Yan ang gustong-gusto natin, di ba? So, kung may nakita kang camera dyan, tumatakbo ka. Uy, may cameraman. Oh, zip up mo yan. Ayusin mo shades mo. Para naman hindi ka nagre-race, nakaganyan. Di ba? Laspag na laspag ka. Laspag na laspag ka na. Pagka kita mo sa picture mo, ganyan din. Ganyan din yung itsura niyan. So, ayusin mo na para forma kang gano'n, no? Para meron kang flying shot, di ba? Kung photographers, after the race, makukuha mo lahat yan. Ayan. So, give a little energy and get more of the same. So, cheer on your fellow racers, thank the volunteers, and loosen up, enjoy your day. That's what we always do ako pag nagre-race ako. That's why I can never be competitive because lagi kong kinakausap yung mga volunteers, lagi lang papasalamat, cheer ko yung mga ibang participants. Ayan. Pwede bang mag-unzip na lang? May question dito si Abraham Alipio. Pwede bang mag-unzip na lang if naka one suit kasi naka-singlet ako for run number 2? What do you mean, bro? Kung naka one piece ka, ibababahubarin mo pa tapos magsisinglet ka, it's up to you. It's up to you. Tapos, kung gusto mo, just put on over your singlet pero mainit yun. So, depends on how fast you can unzip your one piece suit. Kasi kung one piece yan, suot mo na, andito yung zipper, bawakan mo lang yan, hubarin mo. It's up to you. Frequently asked questions. Ito na, just a quick run through. Can I rest if I get tired? Yes, we actually recommend it. Kung pagod ka na, wala naman tayong cut-off time. So, huwag kayong magmadali. Diba? So, ibig sabihin yan, ang hirap, mamaya, makita kayo. Nagmamadali kayo, tapos i-picture nyo, naglalakad kayo, or sobrang laspag nyo na, dapat forma lang. Diba? Ano naman yan eh. It's a fun race. So, will there be a baggage counter? No. This is not a running event. We do not have baggage counters. You may, at your own risk, leave your things in the transition area. From our experience, ako naman, I've joined multiple races na, even Ironmans around the world. Iniiwan lang namin yung wallet namin, car keys. Actually, wala car keys because nasa ibang bansa kami. But iniiwan lang namin yung hotel room, keys, yung wallet, nandun na sa transition. And then, but of course, the organizers will not be responsible if may mangyari dyan. So, if you can leave it in the car, do so. Can I bring my own hydration? Yes, you may do so. You may bring your own gel. Vitargo will be giving away gels yata for the run. But those gels are for full and light distance only because may caffeine shots, not advisable for the kids. What if I miss a wave? Missing a wave will not DQ you, but if you start in an earlier wave, madi-DQ kayo. Okay? Can I change categories on race day? No, we cannot change categories anymore. So if it's registered for light, yun na yun. If registered for full, yun na yun. Okay, but if hindi mo kaya, na-injured or something, you register for the full distance, you may do your light distance, but of course, machi-checkan sa timing, so super bilis mo, you will get a DQ. Okay? Are headphones allowed? Headphones, earphones are not allowed in any part of the race. So headphones, yun ba? Basta ba't ka naman magre-race na mayroon kang headphone, di ba? Also, the in-ear ones, the earphones, we do not allow it. Because delikado yan, because hindi mo maririnig yung fellow participants. Kuwari, may mag-overtake pala, hindi mo sila maririnig doon. Okay. Eh, sayang naman, di ba? Although, we do allow bone conduction gadgets. Yung mga bone conduction, yeah, that's allowed. Can I vlog the experience? Ito ang difference ng races namin this year. Ito ang pinaka-frequently asked questions because iba, lalo sa aquat nang gusto nila yung vlogging experience nila. So, can I vlog the experience? Also, can my baby cross the finish line with me? Sagutin natin yan. While cameras on the run course are allowed, yeah, pwede namin. Shoot kayo dyan yung experience nyo. As much as possible, please do not impede any of the participants. If you want to vlog your own race, you may do so at your own pace. Doon na lang kayo sa side and make sure not to impede the other participants. And on the bike, cameras are not allowed. It has to be mounted. So, i-mount nyo sa handlebars yung cameras nyo, or you want to pin it here. Kung may magnet yan, depends on what you're using. And then, can my baby cross the finish line with us? Actually, ang dami nagtatanong nito. And then, so, actually yes, you may carry it pagpatapos na kayo para kasama sila sa finish line. We allow that. But wag naman yung buong pamilya. We do not allow it because maboblock niya ibang finishers, di ba? Next. Will there be medical assistance? Yep, trained medics will be on standby and roving for the duration of the event. Arrive early. So, Master Race Day, a few more tips. We posted this also. If you want to read about it, it's the athlete's guide. We're just going through everything here. Arrive early. Your future you will thank you because hindi kayo marerelax. Again, I want to repeat na the setup alone of setting up your entire bike, racking it, easily 40 minutes. So imagine if you arrive super late, wala na. Stress ka na, run pa lang. And the race will not wait for you. Okay? So pag nag-start na yung Dua Kids, ika-close na yung transition area, you will no longer be able to rack your bikes. You will no longer be able to race. So, sorry na lang. So, arrive early. Quick gear check. So, race bib, check nyo lahat yan. Timing chip, it has to be on the left ankle. Check goggles, hindi po tayo swim, so sorry about that. Obviously, nakat and paste to from Aquaman. And remember, nakalagay dito maganda eh. A quick moment to remind yourself that you trained for this. Check. Parang be confident kasi nag-train ka naman, di ba? And then, play nice on the car, stay right. Heat management is a superpower. Yan. So, you please use all the aid stations. Buhos sa ulo niyo yan para malamig. Parents and first-timers, relax. Okay? So, mga Dua parents, relax. There are marshals everywhere. We'll take care of your kids. Mga Dua parents dyan. You just cheer loudly and enjoy the show. Relay teams, know your role. Please know, again, yung mga relay, dun kayo sa exit ng transition, mag-aantay. Please know your role kung runner ka ba, cyclist ka ba. And then, also, sa relay, there's only mixed category. Okay, wala tayong all men, wala tayong all female. Because aside from konti lang naman, we believe na parang even an all-female group can beat an all-male group. It has happened multiple times already. So, yung iba nagugustuhan yung challenge na yun. No littering. We're guests at Clark Freeport Zone. Please don't litter. So, that's it. Questions, just email events@swimbikeround.ph, but obviously, bukas na yung race, so you may leave it in the comments. We'll just go through the questions here as we finish. Tag your photos, please tag us, collaborate on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Ano pa ba? We love it. We love seeing everything. We repost everything. We accept all the collaborators. So let's grow together. Palakihin natin yung mga page natin. If you're an aspiring influencer, you may do so. We'll help you grow. So just tag us, swimbikeround.ph and Duaman Duathlon. And of course, our official event hashtag is Duaman Duathlon 2026. Okay. Grabe, 6:56 na. Wow. Tagal na pala natin nagsasalita. So that's it. Good luck, guys. So we'll just do a quick run through of the comments here. But we'll see you tomorrow. And good luck. Have a safe carbo loading dinner. And then see you guys tomorrow. If you missed Kit Claiming today, you may do so from 3:30 to 4:30 a.m. But after that, sarado na. And then transition will close at 5:30. Race start will begin at 6. Once the race starts, you can no longer enter the transition area. So, tara, just go through 5 siguro. From J. Ano nakalagay sa'yo, J? Anniversary follower. Is body worn action cam allowed? Yep. So, syempre, tag nyo lang kami pag i-edit nyo yung videos. Mark Alexander, may official photographer po ba bukas? Of course, we have. And those pictures will be available after the race. Carmela Maquinto, saan po yung festival grounds for Race Kit Claiming tomorrow? Kami pinipin lang namin parade grounds. But as rule of thumb, sa lagi naliligaw, just follow the other cars. Ayan. Naisen Viserio, are we allowed to use arm sleeves? Yes, of course. It's up to you. CJ Season, regarding transition area, will it be numbered? Same as the bib number. Are there going to be baskets as well? Yes, there will be baskets with your number, and then your spot in the transition area will also be numbered. And that number will be the same as your bib number and this number. Is it possible to have a different running shoe for run 2 or J1? Of course, sana all. So, okay lang yan if you want. If gusto mong gumamit ng different shoe, why not? It's all up to you. Will there be a hydration station on the run course? Yup, there will be plenty. Provided po mabag na paglalagay ng gamit sa transition or dala kami sarili tote bag. Sabi ni Onurbs. You may do so. You may bring your own, but there will be a basket. I guess. So, yun na. I think that's it. Okay, so bumababa na rin yung viewers. So, we will upload this video. Don't worry, we will upload the entire race briefing video on our social media platform so you can watch it after dinner bago kayo matulog. But on behalf of the team, good luck tomorrow and we'll see you at the race. This is Carlos from Bikerun.ph. Good night, enjoy the carbo loading dinner, and I'll see you tomorrow on race day. Good luck to Womans!